Hi everyone, just rolling on from the last video, which was the unboxing of the dimmer switch for the hue lights. This is the next little thing that I've got in line, which is the motion sensor by Philips for the hue lights. I'll just show you the back of the box before we open it. This controls the lights via movement, so you can, when you walk past it, it'll detect that you're there, and it has various functions that you can do to the lights. So I'll just try and get this open. I might just click off, get the stuff out of the box and come back. So hold on for 1 sec. All right, so I'm back. Here are the instructions for any of you that are interested. So just skimming along. So basically what's in the box is the sensor. It's quite small. Got a little light there, and at the back is this magnet with some screws. So basically this gets screwed into the wall and then you just attach it, and it's saying that you can also mount it along here so that it's angled if you need it to be, you know, going up or down or sideways, wherever you need to track it. So that's pretty straightforward. Now connecting it, it says in here that this motion sensor requires a light and a bridge and the app. So I've got the bridge, I've got a light, and I've got an app. And it has this little dot here is the detection for daylight, so it can sense daylight as well. And you can, I think, adjust that to be more or less sensitive as far as I've read. So we'll go to the Hue app, and it's just asking to go to settings and accessories. So settings, accessory setup, and add accessory, and we will be doing the Hue motion sensor. LEDs blinking. So it says here to remove the plastic strip from the battery compartment to get it going. So that's just this little strip. So once I pull that out, this will hopefully blink or something. Here we go. Yep, so there it goes. And that should now, let's pop it here somewhere where you can see it. Or maybe there, no. I'll just get my phone first. So LEDs blinking, we'll say yes. And it's searching. So there it is there. Oh, LED was blinking. Gosh, you never know how these things unroll when you're doing them. Hopefully that will pick it up. Yep, there it is. So continue setup. And let's say, we'll just say adults room, because that's where I've got my lights at the moment. And done. And let's see what happens when we walk past it. I don't know what we need to do now. Maybe I need to get the lights on. I guess we need to probably put them on, don't we? I'll have to look at the instructions, so hold on, I'll just check that up and we'll have a look how that works. So I had a quick look at the app just to see what is possible, and it brings me to this page basically that allows me to sort of tell the lights what I want them to do. So basically you've got day behavior, night behavior. You can say between these hours do this, between those hours do that. It's also got a daylight sensor, so I've set it up so that they go a little bit blue when the sensor's triggered. So if I bring it here, you can see there was movement in front of the sensor as I moved it, so the lights went on. If there is no movement after a minute, I've set it to go off. So if I just put it there so it doesn't move, it should go off. That's pretty much it. It has some daylight sensitivity and motion sensitivity, so that you can set it, you know, if it's not detecting your movements, you can make it a bit more sensitive. And the same with the daylight, because it registers the daylight as the trigger for it to turn lights on as well, if you want that. So yeah, it's pretty good. I can see it being used, you know, as a night light perhaps, so that if you know, going to the bathroom or something, the kids are up, you can just set the motion sensor to come on to like a really dim light so that you can make your way around the house, or also for the night, just to turn the lights off. So you can say between these hours, I want it to be yellow or whatever. And if the sensor's not being triggered after 1 minute, 10 minutes, whatever, I think it's up to 60 minutes, then turn the lights off. So you can use the sensor to power your lights on and off without having to actually click anything, which is great. So you saw the lights going off there, and then if I move the sensor again, they will come back on. So it's pretty cool. And of course, like I said, it can be mounted to the little magnet that it comes with, but it can stand on its own as well, which is pretty good. So yeah, it's very easy to put wherever you need, basically. So that's it for that. If you've got any questions, just ask me in the comments, and give a thumbs up if you enjoyed the video, and subscribe if you want to see more from me. So thanks for watching. See you soon. Bye.